Gott, die Nuss.
What the dog doing?
No matter how many times I do this workout, this one gets me. The spider climbers, my arms shake, my legs shake, everything shakes whenever I do this exercise. If you would like to have the jam be sweeter, I would recommend adding maple syrup or honey. What helps though is that this English muffin is cinnamon raisin, so it's a little bit naturally sweet. Makes this a really good combo. For dinner today, I made a salad. The salad is made out of spinach, arugula, tomatoes, onions, black beans, and Parmesan cheese. And I topped it off with the curry that my mom made yesterday. She made it out of coconut milk, bell peppers, and mushroom. I think because of the coconut milk in the curry, it tastes very similar to Thai green curry. On top of that, I added some sliced almonds and some sesame seeds. Oh, and I also mixed some quinoa in there for some grains.
I think they make it on the spot. Like that's rosemary thing. I have an insane amount of photos. Okay, I kind of just like a really like bit of a hoe. It is good though. Wow. You're like insanely full. It's crazy. I think also though like. Wow, the coffee's so good. Oh my god, you know what sounds so good? So good, dude. I was like. Good job. 4! So you can go 3 times, right? Yeah. Ah. This time. Yeah. Good job. 3. Wow, you're winning now. Okay, lock in right now. Wow, the lighting is really good. I wonder what it would look like if I vlogged on my phone. Oh, it looks even better on your phone. Wait. Food, like after you take it's not very sweet. You don't like it? No. I didn't even have one. I don't know if I'm hungry or the ones that you have. Some just love to. I had a really fun weekend. Now I'm just gonna try to get back into a routine. My skin has been super dry and irritated lately, so I'm gonna work on moisturizing tonight. Hopefully over the next few weeks it returns to normal. I felt pretty sick this morning and I was just gonna eat and get back in bed, but the only thing I could get myself to eat was pineapple, and I decided I was gonna clean my room and do the sheets. Unfortunately, doing the sheets is a task that I hate. I feel like I'm making this harder by sitting down and doing it, so let me get up. I feel like presentation-wise, this looks a bit questionable. The one I made my mom was much prettier, but this will do. So it turns out the cheese that I was gonna use molded. Don't worry, this is not that cheese. I substituted it with cottage cheese, and we're gonna try this because I've never had a cottage cheese quesadilla ever. It's pretty good, obviously not as cheesy as it would have been with cheddar cheese or mozzarella. You know, for a substitute, I don't mind this. I think the olives really make this taste good. Also the jalapenos for some spice. For dinner, my mom made upma. It's more commonly eaten as a breakfast item. I love it for dinner especially because it's so warm and comforting. You can also add whatever vegetables you want to it. Because I really like tomatoes, I asked my mom to add those. I thought I was recovering last night, but today seems to be equally as bad. So I'm gonna eat this, take a shower, and then pass out for the night. I think this will be the end of the vlog. well, after I finish eating this.